Welcome back to the tech sector. I am so happy to be back on YouTube. For those of you familiar with my channel, you might realize I am not at the tech sector. I'm actually at my friend's house in Philadelphia. And that's mainly because I don't have time or energy to make videos like I normally do. And I have a little bit of downtime now, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to take a break. And I'm going to spend 2 hours making this video for you guys. And it's mainly because I haven't posted anything in 2 months. So I'd rather post this than nothing at all. And to reward all my loyal subs, guess what? I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving away 2 1060s, one for the month of October 2018 and one for the month of November 2018. It's right now October 8th, right? Yep, it is October 8th, 2018. And like I said, I'm at my friend's house, so please excuse any noise or music you might hear in the background. They're just out there having fun cooking us some breakfast. So, let's get into what this video is really about. It's about mining and whether or not you should or should not get into it and how profitable my system is right now. So, I have a lot of people message me asking me, should they get into mining? The answer is, in my opinion, no. The upfront cost is too high for the reward that you're getting, and for the fact that there's not a lot of faith in the market. It may go lower, it might go higher, and then you're going to be making out pretty good. But if it doesn't, then if you can't afford to lose 4 or 5 grand on a mining rig, it's not really worth it. Am I profitable? Yes, I am. A lot of you guys that watch my videos, you already have mining rigs, and you should know that it is still profitable to mine. But the question is, how much longer will it be profitable to mine? For example, the Equihash coins were doing so well, but then they pretty much dropped off the face of the planet because the Equihash ASICs came out and ruined those coins for us GPU miners. So there's a lot of things going on in the game with the ASICs and stuff like that, and then with the market dropping lower and lower as time goes on. So hopefully it flattens out and then it goes back up again, but if not, I'm still happy with the little bit of money that it's making a month. It's better than nothing at all. And then you've got to remember, at the end of the day, you could always turn around and sell your GPUs and cut your losses. It's better to make back some than nothing at all. So other than that, let's just jump straight into these numbers. So I pulled these numbers off of my computer. I can remotely log into my systems at home, and I can see their hash rates and how much power they're using. I also have a friend that monitors my systems back in New York, so he lets me know exactly if everything's working fine and if my house has burned down or not. Because so many people have told me, your house is going to burn down. Guess what? It's still standing. So let's just jump in with the 1050s. So I have it on Ethereum. It's at 13 mega hash per card. That's about 78 mega hash per the entire system, and that's about $40 a month. I'm spending, well, actually, let's not get into my electricity. Let's just talk about electricity generally speaking. So at the national average of 10 cents per kilowatt hour, it is $22 in electricity a month, which nets me a total of $18 profit off of my 1050 system. My 1060 system is also on Ethereum. That's about 24 mega hash per card, and that's about 144 mega hash per the entire system, and that's about $75 a month. You take out $38 for electricity, that's about $37 profit for my 1060 system. For my 1070 Ti system, I also have that on Ethereum. That's about 27.5 mega hash per card, and that's 165 mega hash total and $85 a month. That system's generating, minus $59 for electricity. That's about $26 in profit a month on my 1070 Ti system. And then last but not least, on my 1080 Ti system, I have that on Ravencoin. So that's on X16, and that's about 16 mega hash per card. That's about 96 mega hash for the entire system, and that's making about $130 a month. But electricity is $63, and so you have a $67 profit. So my total per month is $295, but you've got to take out $182 for electricity, so that's $113 in profit. And I already hear one of my friends out there, the one I'm borrowing the camera from, he's bitching about me borrowing his camera already, so I'm going to be returning that. So I'm going to cut this video short right here, and that's basically it. There's nothing really more to talk about the mining stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be doing those giveaways, and I will be talking more about that in my next video once I figure out exactly how to even do these damn giveaways. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep on mining.